Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to do a factory reset on Redmi 17. First, we have to swipe down the control center and tap the gear icon to open settings. Then, go to About Phone section, scroll a bit down. Before you perform a factory reset operation, to save your important data, use Backup and Restore section. In this section, you'll be able to backup your data locally using these services at the top, or remotely to the external cloud using Google or Xiaomi backups. Once you are done here, scroll down to the bottom of this page and select Factory Reset. And once you're ready, tap Erase all data. Make sure that your phone is charged by at least a half, or if it's not, then connect it to the charger. Enter your screen lock, then tap Factory Reset. Wait for 10 seconds. And tap Next. Then wait for another 10 seconds. And tap OK. And then wait until the factory reset operation is performed. Okay, and once you see the start screen, the factory reset operation is finished, and now you can set up your device once again and then restore your data from the backup. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.